trading became so easy after I focused on these three things. If you don't know me, I'm the Black Wolf. I trade Forex for a living. Yeah, one of my goals here is to simplify trading to the upcoming traders and the inspiring traders. Number one, focus on one trading strategy. I see too many beginner traders making this mistake, jumping from one strategy to another in every month and every year. This is my 6 years trading experience. With this experience put together, I understand that focusing on too many strategies will only get you frustrated and confused as a beginner trader. The best thing to do is to focus on one trading strategy, because jumping from one strategy to another strategy can never make you become profitable trader as a beginner. If it's support and resistance you're trading, you trade the support and resistance, and if it's supply and demand you're trading, you focus on the supply and demand. Number two, are you trading the US 30? Are you trading the Nasdaq? Are you trading the S&P 500? Or you are trading the GBP USD and the Euro USD? As for me, I focus on only one pair. This one pair has helped me master my craft, and this one pair has helped me make money like this, and like this. The reason why I stop focusing on too many pairs is whenever I trade GBP USD on the London session, I lose it to US 30, and whenever I trade US 30 on the London session, on the New York session, the next day I may lose it to GBP USD. So after checking my MT4, I realized that I made the most money on the US 30 stock market. So I decided to focus on only one pair, which is the US 30. This one pair don't only make me money, it made me master every candlestick that print on the US 30 stock market. Number three, we have 4 trading sessions in the Forex market. We have the London session, we have the New York session, we have the Tokyo session, and the Sydney session. As for me, I only focus on one session, which is the New York session. The reason why I focus on this session is because the pair I'm trading move mostly on the New York session. The US 30, the S&P 500, and the NAS 100 move mostly on the New York session, and that is why I focus on it. And make sure to put this at the back of your mind. If you are trading any pair, make sure the pair you are trading tally with the session you're trading. As for me, I trade the US 30 stock market. Just as I said, the US 30 stock market move mostly on the New York session, and that is when the US 30 stock market, the New York session is when the US 30 stock market have more volume in the market. Make sure to trade the US 30 stock market on New York session, make sure to trade the NAS 100 on New York session, and make sure to trade the S&P 500 on New York session. So guys, these are the 3 keys that turn me from beginner trader to advanced trader. So if you want me to mentor you, send me a DM mentorship on Instagram and I will reply to your message. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on post notification for the next video. Peace.